Spice Math. That's right. We add it up, multiply it, man. Spice Math. Okay. A couple things we're gonna learn today. Spice Math. All right. Take some time, educate yourself. Spice Math. That's right. You won't believe it's just math. Come on.
Hi, I'm Ruth Doughton.
Hi, I'm Aaron Williams.
Hi, I'm Brandon Alexander.
Hi, I'm Kelvin Doughton.
Hello, I'm Lyndon Sincere.
We are your Spice Math tutors.
You won't believe it's just math. Just math.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Spice Math. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at ordering integers. Objectives for today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to compare integers, meaning you should be able to tell us which integer is bigger, which integer is smaller. You should also be able to place a set of integers in ascending and descending order. For today's lesson, you would need a ruler, a pencil, a pen, and some form of paper so you can write on. So let's look at ascending order. Just as a form of revision, what is ascending order? Ascending order means that you place numbers in order from lowest to highest, first to last. Descending order, we would reverse the numbers and now we put them from highest to lowest or last to first. Just to help you remember, ascending, A points upwards, descending or downscending, meaning D as in down. Just to help you remember, ascending and descending. Now let's take a look at comparing and ordering integers. We can compare integers and order integers by graphing them on a number line. Numbers increase in value from left to right. I have a number line on the board and I would like you to take a look. So on the number line we have numbers on either side of 0. Numbers to the right are positive, numbers to the left are negative. The value of a number or an integer increases from left to right. Let's compare integers. Remember, integers are a set of positive whole numbers, their opposites, and 0. Two numbers that are the same distance from 0 are opposite. So 3 is the opposite of negative 3. Or the opposite of negative 3 is 3. The opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. They are same distance away from each other. Just to demonstrate. So as you may see, negative 5 is 5 units to the left of 0. Positive 5 is 5 units to the right of 0. Hence, they are opposites. Now let's compare two integers. We're going to compare negative 5 and positive 2. And we're going to use the signs greater than, less than, or equal. So in comparing, we now want to determine whether negative 5 is greater than positive 2 or less than positive 2 or equal to positive 2. So let's go up to our number line once again. And as we can see, negative 5 is further left than 2. So since negative 5 is to the left of 2, this means that negative 5 is less than 2. Now, for students at home who have a difficulty remembering which sign is greater than or less than, let's look at this little technique. The open end, which is bigger than the closed end. So the open end is wider, the closed end is narrower. So this is your greater than, meaning that positive 2 going in this direction is greater than negative 5. Or, in other terms, negative 5 is less than closed open, positive 2. Now let's try a few. Compare the following numbers using similar signs. So we have to use our greater than sign, less than sign, or equal sign. Now I'm going to do the first one with you, and I would leave you to complete the others. Now let's go to our number line. We have to compare the pairs of, we have 4 pairs of numbers here, and we are comparing the first one, 6 and negative 1. So we find 6. And we find negative 1 on a number line. So we have graphed the numbers 6 and negative 1. Negative 1 is to the left of 6. So negative 1 is here, to the left of 6. So therefore, we can write the answer as 6 is greater than negative 1. Again, the open end goes to the bigger number, the closed end goes to the smaller number. Now, I would ask you to do the others on your own. Now we can move on to ordering integers. And here are some steps for ordering integers in ascending order. First step. So I expect you to draw a number line with negative and positive numbers. Mark the integers as they appear on the number line from left to right. Write the integers down in order from the furthest left on your number line to the right. So here is an example. In golf, the person with the lowest score is the winner. Funny, right? Rank the players at the right by ordering their scores from lowest to highest. So we have the players there, and we have Tiger Woods. And he scored -7. V. Singh, and his score was -4. E. Els, I think that's Ernie Els. And his score was positive 5. So Phil Mickelson and his score -3. And he had another player, and his Goosen, and his score was +6. Now our task is to determine who won the golf game. So we're going to take the numbers as they appear from left Okay, good. So that's -7. The next number that we have from the left, -4. Next number that we have from the left here is -3. And we have +5. And we have +6. So now we have mapped the scores, and we can now write the winner down in order. So we write in from the lowest to the highest. The lowest, Tiger Woods. And next in order, or -4, and he is Vijay Singh. Next in order we have our -3, that's Phil Mickelson. Next in line, we have +5. And our last player, Goosen. So there we have our order. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So the winner of this tournament was Tiger Woods. For descending order, we draw a number line with negative and positive numbers. You mark the integers as they appear on the number line from left to right. However, we now reverse the order and we go from furthest right to left in terms of ordering. Here are a few examples to do on your own. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Spice Math. In this episode, we learned how to rank integers in order from highest to lowest or from lowest to highest. We also learned how to compare integers to determine which integer is bigger than the other. See you another time for our next episode of Spice Math.
Won't believe it's just math. Come on. You won't believe it's just math.